Hello guys, I recently visited a Kashmiri themed restaurant called a Zarpar multi-cuisine veg or non-veg restaurant. It's a perfect restaurant if you want to try Kashmiri cuisine in Jaipur, give you to feel of Kashmir. This restaurant is famous for its authentic Kashmiri cuisine and was designed with traditional Kashmiri theme. The restaurant had a great Kashmiri vibes which added to the overall ambience. You can see that the ambience was awesome. Additionally, the two separate sitting areas offered a choice between a cozy and intimate sitting or a more spacious and social atmosphere. And then the menu contains a variety of Kashmiri dishes. So I ordered adam aloo, gulmak paneer, herbal roti, bhakri roti, and tandoori roti. So you can see the staff was in Kashmiri dresses and the behavior of staff was very good with warm welcome and smile on their faces. Then they came and they serve us food. Then I eat dum aloo and gulmak paneer. So each dish is made with authentic and fresh ingredients which really enhance the overall taste. And each dish that had its unique taste and flavor of the spices and herbs used in it. The presentation of the food itself was very impressive. The use of copper and silver plated utensils. So firstly I ate adam aloo and gulmak paneer. A taste was really awesome. I never ever eat such paneer and dum aloo recipe. You must try this. It was ultimate taste and seriously I love it. I love this recipe. I love dum aloo and I can eat this. Wow, really very tasty. So you can see that the traditional hand wash style using a silver surai continues to be a unique touch that is part of the overall experience at a minimal cost. And the considering the quality and quantity of the food, the pricing is reasonable and the portion size are generous, and you definitely get your money worth. And for those who wish to capture memories, the option to wear Kashmiri attire for photography, and I highly recommended this restaurant to anyone who is looking for a great dining experience that captures the essence of Kashmiri cuisine and culture. And it is situated in Malviya Nagar Vinay Building, ninth floor. It was opened near about 2019 with the theme of Kashmiri restaurant.